Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and this is how to cut tape with the duct tape dispenser. And you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find the tape dispenser like I'm using, as well as extra tape. But there's a few things I want to point out. This right here is sharp. So if you just set up and check out my video where I explain how to load a duct tape dispenser. But if you loaded the tape, but you didn't take off this protective piece, you need to take that protective piece off because this will not cut unless that piece has been removed. So I've got my tape here ready to go. So imagine I'm taping a box. This isn't a box, the closest thing I got. I've shipped all my boxes, man. So I'm gonna do this right here. And then when I'm ready to cut it, all I do is push like that. And see? It cut the tape. See how clean that cut is right there? It cut the tape because it's this piece right here that cut. So if you're taping the top of a box together, for example, if you just kind of, as you tape and then just kind of push down, that's going to cause that tape to make contact with that sharp piece, and it should cut the tape. So it's actually very simple, but I know unless you've done it before, it may be a little bit confusing. So that's why I filmed this video. So that is how to cut tape with a duct tape dispenser. You know, just a convenient way to avoid having to get any scissors or anything like that out. And, you know, it's just built in, man. You just tape and cut. You know, nice, nice, nice. Very nice, clean cut. Look at that. Hold it up against this black background so you can see. See? Look how clean that cut is. Tell me what you think within the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe. And when you do, ring that bell icon, and that'll notify you whenever I post another video. And if you're looking for the duct tape dispenser like I use, the extra tape like I use, expand this video's description, and then click the link there. Thanks for your viewership rather, and have a great day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.